Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here back at you with another video. So today's video I'm making sour cream for you. And this sour cream you can use it in, I made some zucchini noodles before. You could put it in your zucchini noodle, and you could also use it as with your hamburger. You know, when you make your oat burger, you could put it there too. So now let's get started. I have in here some water, and I have some lime juice. This has the lime and the seed. Everything came out, so I'm just gonna go with it. And here I have some cashews, and in here I have a pinch of salt, some cayenne pepper, some garlic powder, don't know if you can see it, some garlic powder and some onion powder. And I'm just going to throw those in there. The onion powder and the garlic powder I made, so you can check out my videos. You will see videos there for onion powder, garlic powder. I make zucchini noodles. You could see how I do it there also to put it. And I make oat burger. You could also look there to see the recipe. So I'm going to do this and see if I need some more water. To continue doing it, I rinse out the lime container, but I don't want to put too much water in it because I want it to have enough. I want it to be thick, rich enough. I don't want it to be watery. You know what happened here, Simple Life? My husband was eating out the cashew and I replaced it, and it seems like I lost count of the right measurement. How it's going now. Oh, this is so good. Do I say everything is so good? But this is so good, Simple Life. This here sour cream with the lime. Oh wow. I used to make this with apple cider vinegar until I cut out of using alcohol. So now I start using lime. If I do not have lime, I will use lemon. So any one of choice that you have, you can go ahead and use it. But right now I have some limes, and that is what I am using. You just need to get that acidity in it in order to make the taste jump out at you. Alright, Simple Life. I think we've got it. I think we've got it. Alright. So, let's give it a try. The only thing, it could take a little bit more lemon or lime juice. But otherwise, very, very, very good. So good. Oh, this is how it looks. Oh my word! Simple Life, please give this a try. Guess what? The taste, you think it tasted good at first, but then after the taste jumps out at you even more. The more you have it on your tongue, the more you feel you taste the effect of it. So good, Simple Life. I get so comfortable here. I'll do that one after. So there you have it now. There you have it. Simple Life. Sour cream. So good. Lorna's Simple Life homemade sour cream. I will put the recipe down in the description for you. Please give it a try. The reason I make this is so I can use it for sandwich tomorrow for Sabbath lunch. But you see, it's thick enough to use as a mayonnaise. It's, if you want to water it down and use it as a salad dressing, the options is up to you. So give it a try and let me know. So thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And see you next time on the Simple Life Ministry. Bye for now.